Hi guys, here's a tutorial for how to run the Sawgrass Print Manager direct from Adobe Illustrator on Windows. The version of Adobe Illustrator that I'm using here is the 2021 version. So let's get started. So here is our design, it is all ready to go, and all we need to do is go to the top left hand side of the screen, click File and click Print. Now from here you will get many different options on the printer that you want to use, and all you need to do is select Sawgrass Print Manager, and as you can see we get a little preview there, and you just need to click Print. Now there will be a little bit of a delay, but any second now Sawgrass Print Manager will pop up, and there we go. And there's another little preview for you how that's going to print out at A4 size. And as always, in the Print Manager we can play around with our substrate type depending on what we're printing onto. We can change the type of paper that we're using, and we can change our print quality. This particular setting here we have is the one that I would recommend for our Sublimation HTV. You can also mirror your image if you need to. Again, if you're using our sublimation HTV, you do not need to mirror your image. Remember that, guys. We can also play around with the layout. We can also increase the number of copies we want to print. We can have a little play around with the color settings. And if you want to save it for another day, you can print it to file. And from there, it's just as simple as clicking Print. And there you go, your design will now be printing out, and that is how you print direct from Adobe Illustrator using the Sawgrass Print Manager. I hope that was helpful, guys. Till next time.